Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a US taxpayer who owns or trades cryptocurrency, this video is a must-watch for you. The 2024 tax deadline is approaching, and there are some critical steps you need to take to stay compliant with the IRS. Whether you're a seasoned crypto investor or just getting started, missing these deadlines could lead to penalties or audits. So, let's dive into the essential actions you need to take before the 2024 deadline. First things first, let's talk about your crypto tax obligations. The IRS treats cryptocurrency as property, not currency. This means every time you sell, trade, or use crypto to make a purchase, it's a taxable event. Even if you're just holding crypto, you still need to report it on your tax return. So, if you've been active in the crypto space this year, it's time to get organized. Let's move on to the essential actions you need to take before the 2024 deadline. Here are the 5 essential actions every US taxpayer with crypto needs to complete before the 2024 deadline. Start by collecting all your transaction history from every exchange, wallet, or platform you've used. This includes buys, sells, trades, and even crypto you've received as income or rewards. Calculate your gains and losses. Use a crypto tax software or consult a tax professional to calculate your capital gains and losses. Make sure to account for the cost basis of each transaction. Report all income. Did you earn crypto through staking, mining, or as payment? That's considered income and must be reported. Don't forget to include it in your tax return. File Form A-949 and Schedule D. These forms are used to report your capital gains and losses from crypto transactions. Make sure they're filled out accurately and attached to your tax return. Consider filing an amendment if needed. If you've made mistakes on previous tax returns, now is the time to correct them. File an amended return using Form 1040X to avoid penalties. Here are a few bonus tips to help you stay compliant and avoid headaches in the future. Use crypto tax software. Tools like CoinTracker, Coinly, or TurboTax can automate the process and ensure accuracy. Keep detailed records. Maintain a record of all your transactions, including dates, amounts, and purposes. This will make tax season much easier. Consult a tax professional. If you're unsure about anything, don't hesitate to reach out to a tax professional who specializes in cryptocurrency. Remember, the deadline to file your 2023 tax return is April 15, 2024. If you need more time, you can file for an extension, but keep in mind that any taxes owed are still due by the original deadline.